Yo, welcome back. We are going to be looking at, it seems like a standard trainer now, but I've never reviewed one. So I thought it's the only time I give you my thoughts. And we're talking about the Nike Dunk Lows. Let's go. Yes, so welcome back everybody. My name is Patrick T. I do reviews on all kind of trainers and kicks and training related stuff. I hope I try and let you know what the box looks like, what's in the box, and basically what you're getting for your money. So thank you for everyone who's been watching my channel and subscribed. To all those who are new, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the notification bell so you know when I've uploaded new videos. I also do a video called Week Check, which comes out on every Sunday. Let you know what trainers are dropping in the next 7 days. So if you haven't seen that already, please go and check that out. Again, you need to hit the notification bell because I don't usually upload at the same time. I'm trying to be more consistent, but it's, life and all that stuff in it. So welcome. Like I said to you, these seem to be like a standard kind of trainer now. And I'm talking about the Nike Dunks, Nike Dunk Lows, Nike Dunk Highs. When they come out, no matter what the colorway is, they go. The ones what seem to be sought after the most are like the pandas, which are the black and white, the greys and the blues, I think, some red, those solid colors. So I managed to get my hands on some greys. I don't know if you call them light greys or whatever they're calling them, but they're just white and grey. Quite a simple trainer, but I thought, I'm not a dunk man, so let me have a look at these. Let me give my honest opinion of them and whether or not they're worth the money and worth the sought after hype what goes with them. So let's just get into this. First we're going to look at is the box. Now as you can see, it is just a standard Nike red box with the Nike branding all over it, etc. The label says Nike Dunk Low Retro White Grey Fog. So this is the grey fog version. Normal standard tissue paper inside, nothing to write home about. Now let's get down to the trainer itself. Now let's do what we normally do. Let's start with the sole of the trainer. You have the standard, almost like the Air Jordan 1 sole. Basically, with the target near the ball of the foot, that's rounding at the bottom. It is an Air Jordan 1, but it's on a dunk. That grey travels round, as you can see, just up to the midsole. And the midsole itself, though, is white. You've got these little cutouts or, I don't know, them etchings in the midsole, just underneath the swoosh there. And that carries on up to the toe and the toe box. The midsole is stitched in. There's a line of stitching in there. And the upper is just a leather. It's not a tumble leather. It's just a clear leather. The overlays are clearly all grey, as you can see. And I wouldn't say it's high quality leather. It's just a hard leather. It's not soft leather. I wouldn't say this is premium leather. But I think for the prices they are, which is between, I don't know, 90 and 110 pounds, depending on what you get, it's not a bad kick. It's not like the Air Jordan 1s where sometimes you just get dead leather, but you're paying 140 pounds now or something like that. So the colorway, like I said to you, is the fog grey. If you start the heel, you look at the back, you've got the Nike branding stitched in. As you can see, they're in white sewing. You've got the grey swoosh, which goes underneath that overlay and down to both sides of the shoe on each side. Lateral and medial. There you go. Lateral medial sides of the shoes. So inside and outside the shoe for everyone who doesn't really get into that. Sticking with the heel, we then go up to the lining, which is a nylon type lining. It's very padded. I'm not going to lie, it is very padded. It's not like an SB though. I have had SBs in my hand and they're even more padded than this. But this is nice padding inside. You've got a standard white insole. This can't come out with a Nike tick at the bottom there. As you can, with Nike branding, I should say, at the bottom. The tongue itself is white with a nylon material. You've got the Nike branding at the top, on the top of the tongue. Again in white stitching with a swoosh. And again, the inside of the tongue is grey, not white. If we move on to the laces now, you've got grey laces, but these seem to have a little sparkle in them. I don't know if that can be picked up on camera, but they have a little sparkle in them, and I don't know if they glow at night, but you can see it in the day, and it does make it pop a little. I must admit, it does make it stand out from just being a white and grey trainer. So that's a nice little touch. You don't get any other laces with these, but I don't think I don't know, you might want to swap them out for white ones maybe. But these are a nice touch. It goes well with the white. Maybe the white would be too white with the white base you've got on here. But comfort wise, these are comfortable. I wouldn't say they're over comfortable. They're a dunk. They're quite hard. There's no real, bounce to them or whatever. They are what they are. They're hard trainers, but dunks were for skateboards. That's what they were used for. Or maybe that's what skaters use, because they like the solid. They didn't need a bounce. They needed to feel the board underneath them. So I don't know if you could wear these all days. Maybe it's like a Jordan 1 where they're not the most comfortable trainer, but you can do for a day, I suppose. And they do fit true to size. There's no need to go up or down. Nike are pretty good on their sizing when it comes to these kind of classic trainers. So you don't have to worry about sizing. Whatever your size is, get that size, unless you've got a funny foot and you have different sizes for different things or different silhouettes. So I would say it's true to size. In terms of value, yeah, I would say they're around that price range. It's like an Air Force One, isn't it? I mean, it's going to go up in time. They've been holding out. Whatever, it's a classic trainer. Where they're being pitched now, I don't think it's overrated. Some of them, I suppose, you get collabs on them and they're more expensive. But the fact that I can see why they're getting sold out all the time. You buy that, they come out, and that's because 1, the pricing. 2, it's just a simple kick and will probably go anything unless you get the out there colours. This colour, the black and white, the blue, it will just go. So I understand now. Having this in hand, it can definitely be a beta trainer. It could definitely be a beta trainer. I think it's those ones you go out, everyone's got a minute. Everyone's got a dunk. It's just a nice, clean summer, or even winter, to be honest with you, trainer in this colorway. So that's my review of a dunk. I know it's been long. I just haven't had the urge to buy one, So, but I thought I'm not doing myself justice or you justice if I haven't reviewed what is becoming a staple. So, yes, Night Dunk, Fog Grey or Grey Fog, I think it's called. Nice kit. If you can get it, definitely try and get it. I think they're all on resale now. But when they do drop on a Nike app. You just have to be quick. And I know people get them in their basket and they get much of payments. I've realised with Nike, sometimes you just have to go through PayPal. It just makes it so much easier. It just bam, and you're in. Obviously, when you get your size, obviously. But yes, I feel like I'm glad I've had it in my hand now. I can see why you get them just like an Air Force One. And yeah, here we have it. Dunk Fog Grey or Grey Fog. Thank you. I hope this helped you. I hope I weren't too blasé on it or whatever. It is a nice kick. It's definitely a staple. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe and hit notification bell. Thank you for watching. Tune in to my weekly series, Week Check, so you know what's dropping in the next 7 days. And I'm out. Peace.